We got another nature box. Hey guys, it's Amanda, and today we have another nature box to open, so I thought I would share it with you guys. Joining me is Jacob and Charlotte. So here we have our nature box again with all of our lovely snacks inside, and we're gonna try them for you. So first we have the mini peanut butter oatmeal cookies. What do you think?
I don't know, I just put it in my mouth.
Oh, Charlotte liked it.
Pretty good, but it tastes like a cookie.
It's supposed to.
A cookie is a cookie.
Oh, okay. Next we have aged cheddar lentil loops. Another Charlotte approved snack. What did you think?
It's very good.
This one a little more special.
Yeah, better than cookies. Okay.
Next we have salt and vinegar veggie chips. I like salt and vinegar, so I like those ones. What did you think?
Very delicious.
Next we have coffee kettle popcorn.
Oh, yes.
What do you think?
It's delicious. They taste like coffee.
These ones are really awesome. Next we have Fuji apples. So these are kind of like the pineapples in the last box that we got. So they're kind of chewy and weird, but they taste good. Yeah, we gave Charlotte the rest of hers. What did you think? Not your favorite?
It's pretty good. I like some.
It tastes good. It's just chewy.
It's dried. I like dried fruit.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Next we have mini vanilla bean wafers. Wafer? What do you think?
It's a vanilla cookie.
Yeah. Nothing special again. Charlotte's pleased. Next we have the nutty power clusters. What do you think?
Better than a cookie.
Yeah. Kind of plain still though.
Tastes like nuts.
And last we have the sriracha roasted cashews.
Oh, it's hot. I like it.
Those ones were pretty cool. They kind of had like a kick at the end. It didn't hit you right away. So that was our second nature box, and we loved them all again. Some of them were a little plain, but that's fine. I think, what was your favorite?
The cashews, because they're hot. I like hot stuff.
I don't really know what my favorite was. I like a lot of them. So anyways, again, another awesome nature box. So if you're looking to try it, definitely try it out. All right, until next time, see you later, guys. Hey, bye, Charlotte.